Big relief for home buyers. The top court has directed builder Jaypee Associates to deposit 200 crores into equal installments in the Supreme Court registry by April 15th and May 10th, which is in addition to the 550 crores that have already been deposited. The home buyers who were stuck with project delays had approached the top court for relief. Let's go across to Milan to try and... Do we know if all the money that they were supposed to submit in this account and deposit in this account has already been done? And then what is the reaction that we have from the home buyers now?
Well, the amicus curiae in this case has mentioned that in the recent past, the refund amount received was around 1,150 crores. However, the court has collected at this point about 550. And although the home buyers are welcoming the decisions of the Supreme Court, the current confusion relates to the fact that there are two set of people in this point of time. One who are looking for a refund from the project, and one who are looking for the possession of homes. Now, those who are looking for refund, as the Supreme Court has said, that they have to submit rupees 100 crore in two trenches there, a total amounting to 200 crores. What will be the terms and conditions for this refund? Will it be a baseline for compensation is something that has not been talked about. Another aspect is the modalities. How the compensation will be rolled out is also one issue for confusion. And again, the timeline. The timeline of whether it will be all together or whether it will be a staggered rollout or in phases is also something that the home buyers are looking at. And at this point, for all the home buyers where, they have gone to Supreme Court for cases, is that, there are demands and how the EMIs will be suspended until the Supreme Court takes the final decisions is also something that they are waiting to hear from the apex court. Also, they have a contention with how the RERA laws will be added to all the above, that the Supreme Court is proposing at this point to look into.
All right. Milan, thanks so much for joining us and bringing us that story as the home buyers continue to fight back. Remember, Jaypee is one of those companies that when it comes to the real estate business claim that they had gone bankrupt. They filed for bankruptcy. But before the company could go through the insolvency procedure, the court stepped in to ensure that the buyers don't lose their money, those who had already paid the money to get homes. But how many of them will actually get their money back and how many of them are still waiting to get a home is what we will have to watch out for. It's also the big story we'll debate later tonight.